building a car over there.
I was gonna say I wish I had a screwdriver on my watch, but that would be really just like annoying.
Watch out for
We
your
should
toes.
probably build a huge ramp.
Oh, up these stairs. It's planks.
Just send it over to me. I'm
What?
ready.
That's way too steep.
I don't like where this is headed.
I do.
Hey!
Let's put a phone on it, and we can stream to it, and we can jump it.
That's a good idea.
All right, that's
That
fine.
is a good idea, Chad.
Somebody go get me some wood.
I will make sure that
Those are protected.
the temperature stays.
Hey, knock
at
that
same
bunion back
amount.
into his foot.
What does that mean?
That monster needs to get in.
Hit me.
Ooh, good
Wow.
evasiveness.
Alright. Somebody give me a phone that I can attach to that and we can put it on the stream.
Alright.
GoPro mount will do.
What? Not a GoPro mount? That
Or-
shit. Just take a phone to it.
No, yeah,
And
with
we'll
the GoPro
jump
mount.
it over sleeping Sparky in the tent.
Yeah, he's
Oh,
so
dude,
asleep.
let's totally do that. That's hilarious.
Out.
Okay.
He's out right now.
Thank you.
Alright. Let's,
What's our Kennedy?
Oh, here we go.
Sam, just give me 2 pieces of wood. Tyler, you stand in the center.
Okay.
Yes, for ramp jumping.
I see the vision. I see
Yes,
the vision.
you see it?
Yeah.
Move that straight on. Luke.
What? What was that,
Was
Trent?
that the phone piece?
It better have been. Oh! Oh!
What is happening? There's ghosts in the office.
They're just ripping.
Alright. Put the camera this way.
Okay.
We're gonna jump some things.
Oh, all you need is a little sheet of plywood. That'll work. Maybe.
Yeah.
A little lip wouldn't hurt.
A little rampage.
So far ahead of it, it's
Oh. He's swinging. You know what the worst part is going to be, dude?
What?
Cody's going to wake up and have this immediately something to complain about.
Yeah, you got a little bit more than that.
It's already
I'm already
does.
just there. Actually, yeah.
How's the camera looking? Tyler, get in the center.
He is.
I feel pretty centered.
Oh, go. We're going to jump over you.
We
Go
can
over
drag
there.
you over.
Okay.
Do a little drag.
Dude, I think...
Yeah,
It's gonna land right on him.
it will. It's gonna land on you. Duck and cover. Like a
Use your lightsaber.
Ready?
Gotta really go for it, Chad.
Yeah, I'm
Full
ready.
send it.
Got a lot of force.
Camera good?
Yep.
Oh god!
Wow.
Oh God!
The trim is off each side.
He's trimming, Ty. Chad is whipping this for him.
Okay, here we go.
Here we go. Oh. Things you'd love to hear. Top 10 things you'd love to hear before getting jumped over. Wow, this is kind of glitchy. Is it this extension cord?
Oh, Spark! Good morning.
Hey, buddy.
How good were they? Quite. Really? Yeah. Delightful. Sorry, you're doing great, man.
Keep playing there.
Oh, go backwards. Backwards is responsive.
Yeah.
Sure, dude. Guys, I think we broke Tyler. God love him. Oh. Fine, I'll get a go-kart and do it. Oh my goodness gracious.
Are you gonna jump me?
All right, here we go.
Oh!
That was actually pretty cool. That means we need to bring him in closer.
Ty, how are you, man?
No, I think he's great right there.
He's sleeping, man. I think Jackson's in there sleeping too. Wow. Jackson's out like a light. Here we go, here we go. Oh, good bail, good bail.
Maybe the now he's up.
Jackson, you good?
Oh, dang, I'm sorry, guys.
No, that was great. You woke up Jackson.
You good? I'm sorry, brother. I really didn't mean
No,
to
those,
hit you.
that were his.
No,
Those,
we're good.
his head was on the other side.
I needed a donut anyway.
Dude, it's so hard. It might be one of the hardest Traxxas vehicles to drive.
Is it a drifter?
Where's Sparky go?
I'm gonna sleep somewhere else.
I'm gonna back up a little bit more so we can see the run up.
Missile into Jackson's sleeping arrangement. I love it. See what I mean? Watch out, Jackson. You make it?
Do we think we can jump the sleep tent?
Not have power.
Oh, I got you. Should be good. Do you think we can jump the sleep tent?
I knew as soon as you started cruising.
What?
I just got tagged twice. Why is it like
I mean, there's a chance that we could probably jump the sleep tent.
Yeah, but we need to try to jump the concrete so it doesn't spin out.
So we move this and move the tent?
Yeah. Oh, you got it. The brakes are on. Are you the guy?
Yeah.
I move the tent. Look, get up. It's time for school.
That's gonna have to be your runway over there, T.
Oh, that's sick. You see that 180?
I think we're gonna need a little bit more lift, right? I mean, I think we need to be on that side. 'Cause this side doesn't matter.
You can get both.
Oh, my battery. Help. Help. Oh, that's why this is like it's perfect standing.
Needs to be right here. request is.
I got you.
No, we don't.
So I don't know what we need to do.
Oh, wow.
Cody!
He's alive! Wow, man. Just need to put something under here. So the ankle.
Hey, we've really missed you the past 8 hours, dude. Why were you even here? Yes, Luke. Tell it like it is. Luke Mayer spitting nothing but the hard truths.
Do we think we have enough to jump the sleep tent?
Yes, let's try it. That is a different angle.
That's too high, yeah.
Flip it, flip it. Flip it like
Yeah,
this one,
that's true.
where this side is on the ground.
Turn around.
Sorry, camera.
That way.
It should be a steeper angle, but a slightly shallower entry. And then put this on the ground. Like put this corner right there. Now look.
Now look there. I think it's the same.
I can do it, yeah.
Well, we'll try. No, it's a little taller. I mean, the only thing we can do is feet, right?
Yeah. There we go.
I don't know anymore. Oh, tight window.
I think it's going to do a backflip.
Yeah, I can see that happening.
All right, let's try it. Move the sleep tent in.
Move it in.
Move the sleep tent in.
Grab by the gray part.
All right, if you're just joining in, this is the Dude Perfect 24-hour lock-in. We're
Sparky's still in there?
gonna try to jump the sleep tent
No,
with
I
Sparky in there.
If you were still in there.
We're gonna jump the sleep tent with Sparky in there.
Where did he go?
He's in there. Guys, I don't know. I mean,
I could not assume that was something that man was inside of it.
here, Luke, make sure that wood's good.
Our wood's good. The wood's great. That's good wood.
Is it?
All right, Ty, you got this, dude.
Oh, yeah. That's good wood.
Oh, there's the wood move.
I feel like we need a piece of plywood.
Yeah, that's what's on there.
This is one thing that Dude Perfect, you just gotta find things and just let them play.
That's what I was like, yeah.
Smooth enough transition at all.
That's,
It
we're
won't
gonna
be.
try it.
It won't be, but it's going to do a backflip or something. It'll be interesting.
I mean, you're going to get one shot.
What do you want to adjust?
You need a bigger piece of plywood to gap your transition.
Let's do it.
Can we get an 8-footer and then just like?
Sound effect, Cat. I like that.
Put a rocket engine on it.
Yeah.
Oh, good swing.
Check on the chat, see how we're doing.
Camera's in my face.
I don't think this is going to work at all.
That's a good gradient. This is going to be a much smoother transition also as well.
Where's that going? What?
People in the chat think you're Garrett's brother.
Thanks for that.
How many viewers are we up to?
1.9K on YouTube.
Nice, people are waking up.
This is Ginger.
Who? All right, Chad, here we go.
You guys like my lightsaber? It's awesome.
All right, just so y'all know, we're going to try to jump the sleep tent with the X-Max. That's Tyler, everybody. Give you a wave, Tyler.
Only 2 people in history have done this. Duke
Who? Oh!
Let's go!
Definitely had the height.
Yeah!
Are we still good? Are we still good?
We're still good. It's alive.
Sparky, get in here.
That was amazing.
Get in here.
Okay, 1 second. I'm gonna.
All right, full team in the sleep tent. Full team in the sleep tent.
We're risking our lives for content in the last hour and a half.
Wouldn't be the first time.
Wouldn't be the first
I
time.
want to see
this
the
is
chat.
last
Guys.
time.
I need sleep.
Yeah.
Bad.
Stop farting if I get it in 10 minutes.
What was that?
Don't worry about it. It's a fair statement.
Fair statement, right?
In here? Yeah. Yeah, I got yours. I'll do one. I can do mine.
Actually, never mind. Let's do this. All right. Trent, get in there. Sparky, get in there. This is the most dangerous stunt we've ever done.
Oh, believe me, it's not.
It's not actually, but
No chance.
if you are just now tuning in, we are jumping the sleep tent with all the employees inside of the sleep tent. All the remaining survivors.
24-hour stream.
All right, we got T-Tone down there. Yet again, he's already done this, but we're gonna try it one more time. All right, we need to go bigger.
That was pretty good.
We get to the field goal?
And then it'll go to the basketball court.
Oh, true.
Wow, I thought that was gonna be much harder. It was gonna take us a lot of tries.
Landed? Yeah. Thank you. Good landing. Did you hit the brakes in there? Yep. Nice.
Wow, you're the chat's true hero.
You know, some people say that I've carried this stream, and I completely and totally agree with them.
And I am one of those people.
Okay, dude. I mean, this is kind of fun. Should we see like what happens if you hit stuff at full speed with this?
Yes.
Sure.
Yes.
My foot.
Absolutely.
Let's see if I get a bunion. Maybe
Rocket.
hit your bunion with it and see if it makes it disappear.
Or we play real life Rocket League.
That's fun.
Oh,
We only have one of those.
just kidding. We can still play real life Rocket League with this one. Like dribbling. Practicing.
You should do it. Don't look at me.
Hell.
I'm gonna hit the football maybe.
Why is it not? No, my battery popped out.
Because it doesn't have the metal
It doesn't have the clip. It doesn't have the clip. What are you guys doing?
You're sleeping?
Now he's one of the bad guys. Now he's one of the bad guys. I'm a bad guy. It's down to me, Chaz, Sam, Chad,
That's a good squad.
Chastity. Chaz.
You know, that's my street name.
And Luke. Luke went the distance. Sparky bailed on us. Trent bailed on us. You were snoozing in there. You were snoozing in there.
I saw you close your eyes a couple times today. Well,
Resting
have
my eyes.
That's what I was doing.
Not sleeping.
Yes.
We can go back on camera footage. This
Resting
is
your eyes.
2 minutes max.
It's resting my eyes. And it
You
feels
do it standing.
great.
It
Feels
does.
great.
You kind of need it. next
golf
door and race
carts.
the go-karts in the flower floor.
Who is faster?
You gonna try and jump in that? Try and jump in.
No.
Not on our nicest. Please, not on our nicest one.
On.
Use an already broken one.
All right, Chad, get ready to clip this.
No.
It's not going to end well.
It's not gonna end well at all.
Is this compliant with OSHA?
No. And as the person that.
Are you actually gonna do this?
It's okay.
He's not.
He's not.
He's not.
Dude, that's
that
insane.
silly.
Or it's just going to hit that and go forward. Is anyone inside the tent?
Yeah.
Get him out.
He's not gonna jump in.
Kennedy, full speed.
Go for it.
Just know that there's bricks on the other side. Where?
Lightsaber.
Oh, yeah.
In a pole. You have a very narrow landing gap.
That's going to break the go-kart 100%.
Yeah. That'll break.
That's
Don't do it.
Don't do it. I think you would break, Kennedy.
Yeah, you don't need to break any more than you already have. Oh!
I think I can get it. If we lower it a little bit, I think I can get it.
Yeah, and then you'll break the go-kart.
No, look. I've made a few reps in my day. This is what you do.
It's not a ramp issue, Chaz. It's a go-kart
No,
issue.
you take that one off, and then I'm just getting. It's like Napoleon Dynamite. You just.
And Napoleon Dynamite didn't end well either.
We like this golf.
You're right. I do like
Well,
that. There's fun in this off.
I said golf.
What? How about the editing bays? These are awesome. We haven't given a tour of that.
Editing, man? Are you kidding me? That's gonna kill our viewership.
I'm going to fall asleep. Walking.
God, I really wanted to ramp it.
I thought this camera was live.
Help!
Okay.
My e-balls are hurting.
Let's do. No, I have a headache. Let's do something that is.
Batteries don't fall out of that. Look at this Jackson kid.
I mean,
Absolute snooze fest. He's gonna say he wasn't sleeping either, and I'm gonna slap him right in the nose. Do I look tired?
nah, you look great, man.
I feel tired.
I'm exhausted. You woke the baby.
Holy dude. You can't hang, dude. You can't hang with the legends.
That's thrice
You
now.
weren't born to live with the legends. You're a boy. Look at Chad out here hammering away at trick shot life. This guy's never played golf 18 holes in his life. Okay, he's done it once. Jackson's over here napping on the couch like a little baby.
Don't you have social still?
Dude, I'll be up there. Don't worry, Jackson's asleep, but I got it. I'll set up the cameras.
Go get
I'll
my
do the
FX3
trick shots.
battery.
Who's
Or
gonna
FX2.
carry the boat? I'll carry it, Chad.
Yep. Well, the sun's
Enemy Clay, he's sleeping. Enemy Cody, he's sleeping.
We'll do it.